Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Ensuring that a block of code is executed by only one request at a time is a common requirement, especially in scenarios where shared resources need to be accessed safely. In Python, you can achieve this using locks from the threading module. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to ensure exclusive access to a block of code. A lock is a synchronization primitive that is used to enforce exclusive access to a shared resource. Create a lock object before the critical section of code that needs to be executed by only one request at a time. Enclose the critical section of code within a with statement using the lock. This ensures that only one thread can acquire the lock and execute the code block at a time. Other threads that attempt to acquire the lock will be blocked until the lock is released. Create multiple threads or requests that will execute the exclusive _code_ block function. The lock will ensure that only one thread can execute the critical section at any given time. In this example, the exclusive _code_ block function is the critical section that you want to protect from concurrent execution. The threading.lock ensures that only one thread can execute this block at a time, preventing potential race conditions and ensuring the integrity of shared resources. ChatGPT